I'm going to be showing you how to use Wizer, which is a site we're going to be using a lot this year. So as you can see on the screen, I have my demo Google Classroom pulled up with me as a student in it. So in order to see my assignment, I can see it down here that I have posted an assignment. And then classwork, this is the assignment that I need to complete. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to click the link. And by clicking the link, it's going to take me right here. And it is going to ask you to sign in. And you are going to sign in with Google. And you're going to select your name. And now I'm able to see the worksheet that I need to complete. So this first question says, what is your favorite fruit? This is a type box, so I'm going to type my answer. So my favorite fruit is watermelon. The second question is, what is the capital of Michigan? We can see that this is a multiple choice. So I'm going to select an answer. Fill in the blank. So my math teacher is, and we have two choices that were provided with us from the teacher. So I can easily fill those in. So for fill in the blank, we just type our answers on the line. Place the events in order from 1 to 3. 1 is the first class of the day, and 3 is the last class. So this is a fillable image. So we can see that where these dots are, I'm supposed to write something. So my first hour is ELA. We do that first. And then we do social studies. And then we do WIN. So I have now done that. Keep scrolling. Match the country to the continent. So you're going to drag it. So Canada, we're just going to click and drag. All right. And then this is a table. So wherever you see a yellow box like this, you have to type something there. So this is a vocab term, and this is a definition. So I need to fill it in. I'm going to quickly fill it in. We're going to move on. And then we have sorting. So we have true or false. We have to sort these things. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to mark if it's true or false. So there are 3 themes of geography. False. I'm in 8th grade. Sure. I have math class on Mondays. No. I go to Stevenson. Sure do. And there are 5 oceans. Right down here is a drawing. So when you see this question, you are going to have to do some sort of drawing. And this is just a quick connect the dots to show you how it works. So we're going to draw our cute little fish. And done. All right, what would you change about this assignment and why? Type box, you type something in. You can also do a voice recording or attach a video. And then a rating. How do you feel about this Wizer assignment? Yeah, it was okay. And then we're going to hit the blue button, hand in work. You need to hit this blue button. Do I want to submit? Yes, I do. All right, so now my assignment is completed. So now we just have to wait for my feedback from the teacher. So if you want to check to see if your teacher gave you feedback after you've completed your Wizer activity, you're going to go into your Google Classroom. You're going to go to that assignment. So I'm still in the same assignment, and I'm going to click the exact same link, and it's going to take me to the same worksheet. But now it says assignment completed. Feedback is below. Check out how you did. So I can scroll down, right? I can see that I got this correct. What is your favorite fruit? What is the capital of Michigan? Fill in the blank. Ooh, I can see that I didn't do so well on this one. I can see that, ooh, I don't really know my countries and the continents. Ooh, I didn't do so well in vocab. I didn't do so well in true or false. I did great on connect the dots. So it's not going to tell you exactly what you got wrong, but by clicking that link, you can see your feedback. You can see any comments the teacher has made and what you got wrong and what you got right. So that is how you complete a Wizer assignment and how you check feedback on Wizer.